safe and fine. It's been almost 3 months that I have not posted. I was lazy and I was not well, and my friend motivated me, so I'm back to my work. Thank you. In this video we are going to do DIY decoupage study table. So without further ado, let's get into the video. So first of all, I'm going to take this thing out of my table. I use this to protect my table. It's just a temporary. So this is the first look of my table. It's really dirty. So now I'm going to spray paint the legs of the table. You can use the regular paint also. I'm just going to use golden spray paint. So this is how it looks like. Now grab some magazines and let's get to the real work. Find some pictures, like some cool stuffs, anything that you like. And like here I took some dresses, some makeup stuff and some motivation things, and then cut it, and then I'm going to arrange them on my table. It's better option to arrange the pictures in the starting and to avoid the mess at the end. It would easy the work. So now here I'm going to paste the pictures. I'm using a mixture of glue and water, and I'm going to apply it with the help of a paintbrush. You can use anything like sponge or anything, and then I'm going to paste it. Make sure that there are no air bubbles in it. You can use a scale to press and just remove all the air bubbles, and I'm going to fold it on the corners. Here what it looks like, there are a lot of air bubbles, I know, because the paper was not good. And here I'm using the fixing spray, and I'm going to spray it all over the table. You can use Fevicol, like the coat of Fevicol, or like any glue, and we're all done. If you like this video, give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and if you try this DIY at home, send me a picture on Instagram and Twitter, and I'm going to add it in my next video. Till then, see you in my next video. Bye.